From the bustling streets of New York to the serene beaches of California, people are packing up and setting their sights on one destination, New Jersey. New Jersey, with its pristine beaches and commutable communities to Philadelphia and New York City, is growing. In fact, New Jersey's population increased by 30,000 people in 2023. But why? Let's dive into the journey of the Garden State's newest residents. Hi, I'm Matthew Haviland, and today we're counting down the top 20 states Americans are leaving to call New Jersey their home. And stick around to find out how New Jersey is growing faster than a shore town in the summer. Starting at number 20, Washington State, with 1,179 people trading their rainy days for Jersey shores. Number 19 is Hawaii. 1,215 people moved to New Jersey from Hawaii in 2022, leaving the Aloha State. Number 18 is Minnesota. 1,400 people moved to New Jersey from Minnesota for better weather or job opportunities. Number 17 is Connecticut. 1,417 people moved from Connecticut. And I actually had clients recently move from Connecticut to New Jersey to be closer to family. Number 16 is Delaware. 1,463 people moved to New Jersey from Delaware in 2022. Now, Delaware is a great state with low taxes. However, I've had clients move to Delaware and then come back to New Jersey after a time. Number 15 is Washington, D.C. with 1,625 people moved to New Jersey from Washington, D.C. And we do have military bases and government facilities here in New Jersey, and people are constantly getting rotated to different assignments, so this could be why so many people are coming from D.C. Number 14 is Colorado. 1,905 people moved to New Jersey from Colorado, and people are leaving Colorado to find affordable housing and a better quality of life in New Jersey. Number 13, Ohio. 1,991 people moved to New Jersey from Ohio looking for better weather and better opportunities. Number 12, Illinois. 2,484 people moved to New Jersey from Illinois. People are leaving for better work and retirement and opting to come to the Garden State. Number 11 is Indiana, with 2,710 people moved to New Jersey from Indiana for better business and work opportunities. Number 10 is South Carolina, with 2,817 people moved to New Jersey from South Carolina. I've had clients move from New Jersey to South Carolina, and then we've also had clients come back to New Jersey from South Carolina. Maybe they want to get out of that sweltering summer heat. Number 9 is Maryland, with 3,249 people moved to New Jersey from Maryland, also for more and better work opportunities in New Jersey. Number 8 is North Carolina, with 3,264 people moved to New Jersey from North Carolina. Higher home prices have affected many markets in North Carolina, making it not as affordable as it once was. Number 7 is Massachusetts, with 4,383 people moved to New Jersey from Massachusetts for better jobs, retirement, or to be closer to family. Number 6 is Virginia, with 4,689 people who moved to New Jersey from Virginia. And I recently helped a retired couple who moved to the Jersey Shore from Virginia, and they wanted to be at the shore. It's a place where they spent a lot of time in their childhood, and they want to enjoy the quality of life that New Jersey has to offer. Number 5 is Texas, with 5,690 people moved from Texas to New Jersey. And people are leaving Texas for a different pace, a cost of living, or even better weather. Number 4 is California, with 6,543 people moving to New Jersey from California. High housing costs is the main reason that people are leaving. In New Jersey, they can buy a home for a fraction of the cost of a home in California and still have a great lifestyle. Now, before I get to the top 3, you don't want to miss this. If you're thinking about relocating to New Jersey or need to sell or buy a home here, contact me. My team and I would be honored to help. Post "move" in the comments, and we'll reach out to you with the next steps. Now, here we go on to the top 3. And number 3, Florida. 9,627 people moved to New Jersey from Florida. It was the number 17 most common state for people moving away from Florida. Higher cost of living, housing costs, and homeowners insurance have brought many Floridians to the Garden State. Plus, if the kids and grandkids are here in New Jersey, that's a big draw to come back. Number 2 is Pennsylvania. 31,309 people moved to New Jersey from Pennsylvania. It was the number 2 most common state for people moving away from Pennsylvania. People are leaving PA for a better lifestyle, job opportunities, climate, and retirement living. And now for number 1 on the list, it's New York. 75,103 people moved to New Jersey from New York in 2022. That's making up 42.91% of new residents that moved from another state. It was the #2 most common state for people moving away from New York. One of the reasons people are leaving New York is the lack of affordable housing and also a challenging business climate. New Jersey housing is much more affordable than New York. Last year, I had clients sell their home in Brooklyn for over $1.5 million and buy a brand new, beautiful 55 and over new construction home right at the Jersey Shore for around $500,000. So what's drawing people to New Jersey? It's the promise of new opportunities, the vibrant communities, the quality of life, or the sheer diversity of this great state. Whatever the reason, New Jersey's doors are open, and its heart is big enough to welcome all. From sea to shining sea, the journey to New Jersey is a tale of seeking something more. And as the numbers show, many are finding exactly what they're looking for right here in the Garden State. Whether you're from Texas or just across the Hudson, we're glad you're here. Thinking of moving to New Jersey? What kind of housing do you get for the money here? Watch this video on the 9 cheapest new construction homes in South Jersey next.